Welcome to this week's video. We're at Washoe Lake State Park. We watched some paragliders, cook some food, of course, play with the crazy dog, watch a very corny movie, freeze my tripod, do an overnight time lapse, see some great scenery, see some wild Mustangs, and have a good time. So kick back and enjoy the video. Gotta take care of the puppy first. Something up there making a cracking noise. Oh, there's a huge nest up there. Hard to see, but there is a nest right up there. There's actually 4 of them over there. Hopefully this is picking them up. So we're back at Washoe Lake State Park. Just decided to do a quick overnighter. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought I saw 6 out there. But 5 wild Mustangs right outside the campsite. Here's the Kenai dog. just went for a nice long bike ride. Gonna get the camera set up to do some night lapse, get a fire going, and make some lunch now that it's dinner time. Oh yeah? Just gonna help yourself to some of the wood? Huh? Oh, I need this hammer. Oh, I kind of keep forgetting to film today. So right now I've got dinner going. Turn you around here. Doing a pork chop and some green beans. A little whiskey and water going. Got my camera set up out in the bushes to get a nightscape picture. Off in the distance, those lights are Mount Rose ski area. And got my fire going. And looking at the camp. Can't see him, but Kenai's hiding under the table in the shadows. Oh, yeah, he's tangled himself quite well under there. Guess I'll remedy that real quick. Huh. Dinner is finally served, and Kenai is very interested in it. You keep that nose away, buddy. So this guy is not a fan of cold. I was out by the fire. He wanted to come inside. And then he got really upset at me because I had the bed blocked so that he couldn't jump up there. Dude, don't lick the walls. Yeah. So we'll see how the nightscape comes out. I'm just going to leave it out there all night running. So, should be interesting. We'll see. Got the new diesel heater going. It is now 60 degrees in here. 41 outside. Yeah, I like that thing. Yep.
Jack tomato, Martha.
I didn't know they grew them so big, Jess.
I wonder where he's going. We got little Timmy.
Poor Timmy.
Ate him all up.
Good morning, Kenai. You goofball. Yeah. I just crawled out of bed. It's about 7:30. God, I haven't slept that late in a while. Time to make some coffee. Get out there, get my camera that I left out all night, see how that came out. But first, coffee. Yep. Got the camera off, but look at how frosty my tripod is. Got down to 28 last night, which is actually, right now, is the lowest temp. So just taking the puppy out for a walk. It's a gorgeous morning. Can't wait to check out that video, the night lapse. I've done a lot of star trails and night lapse and stuff before, but I've never left the camera running from dusk till dawn. So I'm kind of curious to see how that comes out. And if it comes out, you'll see it too. So now we're going to head down and check out the day use area and see what's over there. Look, weird little booms coming from somewhere over there. So they've got a disc golf course in Minor Mayhem. Let's go check out the maze. Cool little kids climbing. This is really cool. I never even knew it was here. Activity bars. The old outhouse. I guess that's our goal, to get there. V flumes developed about 1864 that could transport trees up to 40 feet long. Watertight so they didn't lose water. Amusement park log rides were designed after these flumes. That's cool to know. Oh, man. Come on, can I? Mining camps in Nevada were very small. Miners lived in simple shacks with only the basics. Mines were located all over Nevada, often in remote places. That's not a lie. Imagine living with no electricity or air conditioning. Most places didn't even have running water. How would you spend your time? Walk through the mining shack. Would you be able to live in a house like this? Meals would be cooked over a fire. Mining was hard work. Yes, it was. whole different type of people back then. This is kind of cool. Okay. Ow! Damn. Low ceiling. Oh, we'll head out this way. As soon as we made it to our goal, try to get back out without going through that sloppy mud. I don't know if those booms are coming up on camera or not, but wonder what they are. Well, I found out that it's waterfowl season, so those are shotguns I'm here. Duck hunters down on Washoe Lake. Good old truck. And now we're driving through the picnic area. Figured I'd speed it up for you. So this is a really cool state park. You know, it's Washoe Lake. The campgrounds, wintertime they close the tent loop campgrounds. So if you're camping in a tent, you're going to pay the $25 for the full, not full hookups, but electric and water sites. But yeah, day use areas, it's a really neat place. This is the wildlife viewing area. There's a nice little trail out there to a raised platform. I was just too lazy to walk out there right now. But again, this is down the highway from the state park proper. Well, as always, we appreciate you watching our videos. Give us a like and please subscribe if you haven't. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite Nevada state park? And if you're not in Nevada, what's your favorite state park in the state you live in? We'll see you on the next video, and remember, it is never too late for adventure. Even if it's just a quick overnighter, get out and do it.